Bibida sa bagong Marvel movie na Captain America Brave New World ang OG action star na si Harrison Ford. Pero bago yan, ipalabas, nagkaroon muna ako ng pagkakataong makapanayam ang Hollywood legend.
You and I haven't always agreed on how much latitude enhanced individuals deserve. But what you've accomplished has given me reason to reconsider.
Balik big screen si Harrison Ford, ang 82-year-old na Hollywood legend, gagampanan ang role na iniwan ng award-winning actor na si William Hurt. Kung dati general lang ng militar si Thaddeus Thunderbolt Ross sa mga pelikulang The Incredible Hulk at Avengers, ngayon siya na ang Pangulo ng Amerika na nagiging isang Red Hulk. Ayon kay Ford, isang malaking karangalan para sa kanya ang pumalit sa kaibigang si Hurt.
He'd laid such a firm foundation. So I respect very much what he had done, but what I was being asked to do was something that hadn't happened to Bill in his tenure with the character.
Nang tanungin ko si Harrison kung pamilyar siya sa Pilipinas, nagulat ako sa kanyang sagot.
Well, we filmed at Pak San Han Falls. Well, I was only there for 9 days, but it was a fabulous experience.
Inihambing pa nga niya ang kanyang karanasan sa ating bansa sa pagpasok niya sa Marvel Cinematic Universe.
What a wonderful environment, a very exciting, vibrant jungle environment. It was fantastic to be there. It's just like going to the Philippines. Mysterious, exciting.
Bago mapanood dito sa Pilipinas ang Captain America Brave New World sa February 12, may panawagan si Harrison sa kanyang mga Pinoy fans.
Hello to my friends in the Philippines. I hope you will enjoy Captain America Brave New World.
You're not Steve Rogers.
You're right. I'm not.
Mga kapatid, Julius Babaw po. Iba na ang may alam at may pakialam sa panahon ngayon. Para sa frontline ng mga balita, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.